Okay.
I am Jocelyn.
I'm her twin. I'm Sade. Hey.
I'm Julie, the Asian girl. I'm Jessica, the other half Asian girl. And I'm Marina. Oh, I'm Jennifer. The pretty one. Yes, you are.
Today her birthday, so she just a clown.
We love you, Jen.
I love you. I love
We
you.
love you. Wait. Love you.
How can you do that?
You go like, you take your middle fingers.
What are you staring
You
at?
go like this, and then you go like this. See, love you. Jennifer, let's blow a kiss to her. Yeah, let's blow a kiss to her. Are you ready? We love you, Jen. Wait, let's watch it.